Hey everyone, so a while back I recorded this video teaching you how you could get free traffic from sites like Quora and Yahoo Answers, which are basically sites where people ask questions and other people answer those questions, ideally with a long and detailed answer while providing links to either their site or other sites. And the idea with this, my idea with this video, is that you could get free traffic from these sites, in this case Quora, if you did things right. That's pretty simple. But today I want to show you a little trick on how you can find the best questions that will provide you with the most amount of traffic. And how do you do this? How you do not do this is you find any answer, any question in your niche, because most of questions in Quora, or if you just go by if you just go randomly, you'll find questions, with a bunch of answers. What you want to do is, and I'll teach you in a second how you do it, is you want to find questions that have only one answer, and that one answer has a minimum of 1.3k views and a maximum of one or two upvotes. And why is that? Because this means that this question, the one that, sorry, this was an ad. So that means this question has demand, so people want to know the answer. 1.3k people viewed this answer and only two upvoted that answer. Of course, out of these 1.3k people, I assume that most of them were not logged in, but I think you get my point. Basically, you need to find a question that only has one answer and where that answer has a bunch of views, not that many upvotes, meaning that people did not find this one helpful. And what you do then is you paste your answer. Of course, place a valuable answer, and then place a link to your site. And that part is explained here in this video. But what I wanted to do today is show you the trick on how to find these questions, and I'll show you in a bit what you have to type in Google. But I want to give you an example, a good example. For example, let's say, and actually let's do it right now. So what you do is you do site colon the URL of Quora. You write here your niche in the brackets. I forget the name of this. Sorry, but here you write one answer. This will give you the question with only one answer, and then you also write k views, and this will give you answers with at least 1k views. This one has 1.4k. The one we saw before had 1.3. This one has 1.3 again, and this one has. We can check this one as well. Okay, this one doesn't have 1.1k yet, but you get the point. Basically, you use these search operators to find Quora answers in your niche. You can do digital marketing, for example. I'll show you an example here in a bit. Marketing. You do one answer and k views. You can also do two answers if you want, but for sake of this video, let's just do one answer and k views. And if you do this and you insert here our niche, you'll find questions like this one, which was the one I wanted to show you, which was this one. Oh, sorry. Which was this. Actually, I want to show you two. This one. What would be my salary after 1 year experience in digital marketing? How would it grow after 5 years? This question has only one answer, and it's a perfectly valid question, only one answer, and that answer has zero upvotes. I was the first one, zero upvotes. So if you were, for example, a digital marketing agency, you could give like a super detailed answer here, and then link out to a blog post where you talked about the salaries in the industry, where people could learn a bit more about the salaries in the industry. With with however many years you had of experience. So I think you get more or less what I'm saying. I talk more a bit about this in this video right here. The idea again of this video that I'm recording right now is how to find and why you should find these types of answers. To finish off, I just want to show you a great example of a guy that did this, which I think is right here. Yeah, this one right here. For example, the question was, I'm working in a digital marketing company, having 2 years of experience. My current salary is 25k. What salary should I expect in my review? And this guy, what he did is and again, sorry, this question has only one answer and 4.1k views. This one, of course, has a bit more upvotes because this guy did it the right way. he found the answer the right way. But basically, what he does is he gives out a bunch of information. I assume this is a picture from his blog. Of course, he has here his Instagram handle, but basically gives out a bunch of valid information and then links out to his digital marketing agency website, where I assume it's his, but where the person can learn a bit more about the his question. Sorry if I'm rambling a bit. Basically, to finish this off, find questions in your niche using this. So side colon, core your niche right here. Then you just type one answer in K views, and you'll find answers like these. And what you do is write out a detailed reply and link out to your website in a way that makes sense. This guy did it perfectly. He found the question with actually no answers because he was the first one, and then did this. Again, I'm rambling a bit. This is just a great way to get some traffic directly to your website. Sorry, and this is how you do it. I hope you like this video. My goal is to push out one of these videos each week. So every Friday, my goal is to post a video, either tips or tricks, a link building, sorry, a link you can build for free, whatever. Regarding SEO, I want to give value to this group because you guys are great. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.